In this video, let us understand how to make air ticket booking project, and we'll show you like the web application project demo. And this project is designed using ASP.NET with C# as a language and SQL Server as a backend. So it's a web application project demo. So here we'll show you like how you can make air ticket bookings project. And if you're doing any CS course and you need to do a project, that is a good video for you to understand the whole concept. So here we need to understand like what are the modules you need to prepare and what are the options you need to provide in each module. So let us understand the concept of the project. So as the name indicates, flight ticket booking, so where you need to provide an option for the customer to book the flight ticket. So if there is a customer, so which flight has to book, so therefore there should be admin module here. So admin can log in, so you can go to main page. Here you have a flight details, which are the flights you are having, that details. So then is the schedule, like schedule is the where it will go, when it will go from place to place, which place to which place, A to B. So Bangalore to Mumbai, or Bangalore to Delhi, or Delhi to Mumbai. So the scheduling is to be done. So what time, what date, which flight will go. Once schedule is ready, so therefore customer can sign up here. They can log in. They can view the flights. This is the flight list and the schedule list. So based on that, they can book the ticket. After that, they can see the list. Whatever is booked, that list will come. In case required, they can be able to cancel the ticket. So here, once the book, so you can have a customer list where all the customers signed up. Booked list, what are the tickets booked, that book list. And then cancel list, what are cancellation done, that list is to come. So therefore, you can see that two modules are communicating properly. So here you can create the flight and schedule. So therefore here you can able to view it. So based on the schedule, you can able to book the ticket. Once you book the ticket, once you sign up, the customer list will come. Once you book the ticket, the booking list will come. And in case if you cancel, then cancel list will come. And here, what are the booking you done? You can able to see the list. So therefore, this is the basic things required in the entry level project. So these are the things we'd like to make and we'd like to show you that. So in case if you're looking for any project or you require a customized project for your company or your business, please contact us. Now let's see the demo. And if you're looking for different project titles for your curriculum, then right click on iBlix tutorials and open a new tab. Here you can see different projects, different videos. Also please subscribe, and then whenever you free time, please watch all the videos. If not all, so at least few videos. So therefore, which is the title you want, which is the title suitable for you, you could be able to select it. So now we'll move on. So we'll go to Visual Studio here. So here is a Visual Studio and this is the air ticket booking. So admin main. So you can see that these are the options which are provided in the admin main. And same way if you go to customer main. So here these are the options which are provided. Fine. So here we have a database and here are the tables. So these are the tables which you are using in this particular project. Now let's run the project. So we can go to home. So from the beginning you can come. So admin login. Right. So here first you need to write the place names, then flight details and then flight schedule. Flight schedule, so you need to enter the route number, which flight it is, from place to place, what is the economic class total seat and corresponding price, business class total seats corresponding price, and departure time, all you need to enter. Once that is entered, now we can copy the main address and open one more tab, and here you can log in as a customer. So you can sign up if you're not at other customer ID. So we already created one, so therefore we go to login, logs in here and check flight. So you can see that what are the flights are there. So here you can able to search actually. So different city, okay. Okay, you can't book the ticket for the today itself, therefore we need to select for the different date. So that list will come actually. For Delhi, Bangalore to Delhi, 2 flights are available. So then you can go to book ticket. Again, you will get the same options. So for which date you want to get the ticket, search. Then you can travel with this flight. Okay, K800T and ticket 1. So these are totally 2500 and the member details. You can give your informations and the payment details. This is a dummy payment. Let's say via CAN card. Then you can book the ticket. So ticket booked, your ticket number comes. So then you can go to ticket booked list. Here you can see that we can see whatever the tickets you already booked, that list is there here. Even from the admin side also they can able to see. Check ticket booking. So 20th. So there is one ticket for this flight. So there are 2 tickets for this particular flight. So you can also provide one more options to list all the tickets, because here we have where condition. Because of that we are filtering, but we can provide one more list. This is the cancel ticket list if any passenger cancel the tickets. Now we go to cancel ticket here. Ticket number recently booked is 1002. Check these are things. So you can cancel the ticket. Okay, so therefore is cancelled. Now if you go to cancel list, so you can see that ticket cancelled list will come. So therefore these are the options which are provided. So all are working fine. So this is what important. So without errors you have to make it to work. So the one I shown is like how to make a list all. Okay, so here is admin main page. Ticket, check ticket booking. So this, if you check the properties window, here you can see admin ticket check selection. Ticket check selection, this is the one. And here you'll have a data grid. This is the thing, and if you click check, we'll take to next one. Check display. Right, so here we have a data grid view. Here we're going to display all the details. Now in case you don't want to filter it, then what you have to do is you have to remove this where condition. So here is a where flight number is equal to flight number. So if you remove the flight number, then all the list, all the tickets will display. Because of the flight number, only the particular flight tickets will be displayed. Or you want more refined search, you can search based on date also. Then you have to use AND statement, and then you have to add up this. So we have separate videos like how to make projects step by step. So please watch that video. And if you have any problem, please write it in the comment box. And you want to say to us, please write it in the comment box. And then let me know what you're thinking. Thank you very much.